Hi, this is Riza Bermeo Gonzalez, co-author of the Treating Anxiety blog for HealthyPlace. Today I'm talking about using a positive mindset to overcome anxiety. I've personally found this helpful and I think it is very effective to change negative self-talk into positive self-talk and to really work on cultivating positive thoughts rather than allowing negative thoughts to become overwhelming. And there's a few ways that using a positive mindset, intentionally using a positive mindset, can be helpful. First of all, it helps you to view challenges as opportunities for growth. So as you're looking for solutions to stressful situations, rather than focusing on the negative aspects of stressful situations, this helps you to grow in this area and through your experiences. Second of all, it can help you to stay grounded. When you are intentionally trying to change that negative self talk into positive self talk, you are intentionally focusing on your feelings and what you are going through in the moment. And so you are able to stay grounded in what you are experiencing. And then lastly, another way that using a positive mindset can help you overcome anxiety is that it can help you focus on what you're grateful for. So you might find that when you're trying to stay positive, you think about the things that you're grateful for. I know that this is something that I experience. It's something that I find helpful for me. And as a result, you might find that you then feel and experience positive feelings that help you to overcome any anxious feelings that you're feeling. Try to be intentional about utilizing a positive mindset, and you can use strategies such as journaling. That's a great way to help monitor what you're feeling and experiencing. And another way is to surround yourself with people who help you to stay positive and help you focus on positive feelings. I hope all of this is helpful for you. Please feel free to share any strategies that are helpful for you in the comments below. Thank you so much for listening.